What is this? A table! Yay! I'm going to be making a little latch table to cover up this window. I could have a little table that flips down and we can use it to put our drinks or whatever and maybe possibly cook on it. I bought these adjustable frame wires, and I can just snap it in here and adjust it to the length I need it to be. All right, people, feeling really successful today, and we have a little table. Yeah, the magnet feature I think was a great idea because it just stays on there and it just snaps in place. So if I'm driving, it won't go anywhere.